Hey guys, welcome to the 7th lesson of this series. We hope you are excited. Today's new lesson is based on Teen Tal. It has 16 matras. The breakup is 4 slash 4 slash 4 slash 4. In today's lesson, the bowl is dhin dhin dha trigede thun nana katta dhage trigede dhin nana. In today's lesson, the tempo will be 110 bpm. The pitch will be B2. In today's new lesson, we will teach you how to play the Alankar in Vilambit Lay, that is at slow speed, and Madhya Lay, which is medium speed, so that you can train your fingers for a better movement when you play the harmonium. Now it's time to go and have a look into the lesson. But before we go there, if you are new to this channel and like the content we post, then go and hit the subscribe button and push the bell icon so that you will not miss any updates when we upload the new video. Let's get started. At first, let's look at the Alankar which we are going to learn today to play with the harmonium. You can note it down in your notebook too. At first, Vilambit Lay, ascending order, and descending order. Let's see how does it sound when we play it in the harmonium. Well, that was Vilam with Lai. Next up, Madhya Lai. The Alankar for Madhya Lai is same as Vilam with Lai. The difference is that in Vilam with Lai, each line gets completed in 16 beats, and in Madhya Lai, each line should get completed in 8 beats. Let's see how it is done. Well, that was Madhya Lai, and with that, today's lesson ends here. If you have any queries, then feel free to contact us. You will find the contact details down in the description. We hope you have learned a new thing today, and don't forget to drop a like to the video and share it with your family and friends. Tune in with us in the next video with the 8th lesson of the Harmonium tutorial. To be notified when we upload the next video, go and hit the subscribe button and push the bell icon. You can follow us over Facebook and Instagram for more updates. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.